The first I'm gonna say, I told you I'm sorry for everything which I do, I'm so sorry about that. And the past is the past, we can change the past. We need to thinking about the future. We need to program the future, baby. I'm so sorry, I love you. You know that, you know. I know I do something with mistake in my life. But if I say I will thinking every day, every time, every second about that, I will can do anything in my life. Just what I can do in this moment to make in the past which I do, to forget that and to go beyond it like that. I know I do you something very bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know how much time I can tell you. Pardon me. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry.